Hello and welcome to my Patreon channel.
On my page, you'll find a wide range of tutorials and real-time process videos that give you a thorough insight into my creative process from start to finish. There are lessons on soft pastels, graphite, and oil paint with a wide range of subject matter. Any skill set is welcome and each lesson is beginner friendly. I often get asked about how I create my realistic artworks, and Patreon is the place where I'm able to document and share my process so that you can see exactly how they are made. Being a professional artist and lucky enough to have clients from all over the world, this channel is where I'm able to share all of my must-know art tips with you from my years of experience. My tutorials will teach you my favorite and go-to methods and techniques of how to use the materials and tools. Members can also watch the brand new Crash Course series. These are efficiently focused tutorials designed to save you countless wasted hours of trial and error by teaching you the important skills you need to know straight away. Perfect for eager beginners or those with busy lives and limited time. Also included with each tutorial is a list of all these specific materials used. I respect your time, so I've made sure that my lessons are easy to follow and full of really helpful information so that you can take away the important skills and knowledge for any artworks you wish to create. There are multiple subscription tiers to choose from that cater to your specific artistic needs. And once subscribed, you instantly unlock access to all of the lessons available on my Patreon to start learning from straight away. All Patreon members can also learn from the Critique Conversation series, where I look at submissions for areas of improvements, which has proven to be very popular with members looking to improve their skills. We also have a private group for sharing, discussing, and supporting artists. Patreon subscriptions are monthly with no contract, so you can cancel at any time. If you would like to take a look at the lesson catalogue before joining, I have a dedicated page on my website showcasing each video, which you can find on my tutorials page.